Hi 大家。
Alright, today is December 31st, 2022, and we're in Russellville, Ohio, and we're here to see the George Miller Covered Bridge.
Yes.
Alright, come along. And this is the George Miller Bridge, located south of Russellville off of US 62. It is a Smith type 4 improved built by John Griffith. It's 162 feet, and it's dated for 1879. And this is the front of the George Miller Bridge. And they have a little sign there that says $5,000 maximum fine for damaging the bridge. And the location out here is very remote, very peaceful, very nice. Alright, let's go take a look at the bridge. And this is the inside of the George Miller Bridge, located south of Russellville off of US 62. It is 162 feet in length, and its date is 1879. And the trusses are Smith type truss. And they were built by John Griffith. And you can tell this bridge is very, very sturdy. And it looks like they've actually reinforced it. And this is an operational bridge. And it is considered a one-lane bridge. And the bridge on the siding goes pretty much to the top on this one. And you can tell this bridge is well maintained. And these trusses on this bridge are very, very thick. And this is the roof, the ceiling portion of the covered bridge. And this is the flooring, the base of the actual bridge. And this one here has about 2 inches, I would say. And it's for the tires and all the way down. And this particular bridge actually has guardrails going all the way the length of the bridge. I must say, as far as location goes, it's so remote. It might be one of my favorite locations. It is quiet. There's not a whole lot of traffic. And we're going to walk the span of the bridge, and it's 162 feet.
George Miller Bridge.
George Miller Bridge.
Ding, 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 ding.
And where we've had the snow and the ice, the creek is actually flowing pretty fast. So we'll try to get down there and see the creek. And this is a side view of the George Miller Covered Bridge. And directly below is the Eagle Creek. And you can still see some remnants of ice. And it says weight limit: axles 2 7-ton, 3 8-ton, 4 7-ton, 5 7-ton, 6 plus 8-ton. Alright, that was the George Miller Covered Bridge. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you like to do there. Alright, Denny?
希望你们也会喜欢这一座桥。
Alright, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.